Hi, my name is Rayshawnda and I'm a community nutrition instructor here in Wayne County. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken and broccoli casserole, courtesy of Michigan State University Extension's Eating Right is Simple cookbook. Before starting, be sure to wash your hands and produce. For this recipe, you will need 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 cup of chopped cooked broccoli, 1 cup of chopped cooked chicken, and 1 cup of shredded cheese. To save time in the kitchen, you can use a rotisserie chicken or a can of chicken like I've done here. You can also cook your broccoli in the microwave by covering it with water and microwaving on high for 2 minutes. To begin this recipe, we will first start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, we will mix our chopped cooked chicken with our cream of chicken soup. Our first step in this recipe is to cover the bottom of our casserole dish with our cooked broccoli. I'm going to spread it out to make sure it's even. Next, we'll begin by covering the broccoli with our chicken mixture. You want to try to get this spread across evenly. We'll then take our 1 cup of shredded cheese and sprinkle over top. And then we'll put this in the oven to bake for 20 to 30 minutes or until it's nice, hot, and bubbly. Okay, so we've just taken our casserole out the oven. It's been about 30 minutes and it's nice and hot. To serve this, I'm going to plate it over top of some whole wheat noodles. You could also do this over rice or any pasta of your choice. And I'm going to serve my hot chicken broccoli casserole right on top. And enjoy.